So we start off today's video with someone who has long hair, and she decides to switch things up with this shaggy pixie hairstyle. Wow, what a dramatic, incredible transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some unreal hair transformations. Loving this switch to this gorgeous copper ginger colored hair. Such a beautiful hair shade. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. And the stylist does a rocker chic pixie mullet. Wow, she looks absolutely incredible. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with dark curly hair. And she dances her way with this head full of highlights. Ooh, that color looks so pretty. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's gonna go much shorter with a bob haircut. Beautiful face framing bangs. Wow, I love how full and perfect her hair looks. Look at that volume, the bangs, just everything about this look is just so pretty. A bit of a French girl style bob with this hair change. Very nice. Next up, the dancing stylist is back with another client. And this time she went short with a bob, a nice blonde color refresh. Very pretty. And then we see someone with gorgeous curly hair. She ended up dyeing the hair blue and cut into a nice little mullet undercut. I love the blue hair shade as well. Very bold and unique style. I'm loving all the options that she's showing us with the styling of her cuts. Very cute. And then we have that dancing stylist back one more time with another client. Oh, money piece highlights with a contrasting color trend. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.